How to convert PDF to PPT for better interactivity. Don't worry, by combining Make with ComPDFKit PDF Converter, you can easily automate the process of converting PDFs to PPT with just one click. First, open Make and log into your account. Then, click Create a new scenario and rename it. I usually call it AI plus PDF to PowerPoint. Here, we'll use Google Drive for uploading and saving files. So, open Google Drive, create a new folder, and upload the PDF file you want to convert. Now, go back to Make and select Google Drive, then select Download a file and choose the PDF you just uploaded. Then click Save. Next, select ComPDFKit PDF Converter and choose PDF to PPT. Create a task. Enter your ComPDF API license key. You can register here and then go to your dashboard to get the license or create a new one. Simply copy and paste it. Back in Make, click Next and choose Upload a file. Now, set the conversion parameters. You can open the ComPDF API reference page and click Conversion Guide PDF to PPT to see the parameters. There are 5 options: whether include annotations, whether include images, whether to enable OCR, whether to keep background images when enabling OCR, whether to enable AI table recognition. Use 1 for yes and 0 for no. Copy the parameters you need. Go back to Make, paste them, and adjust based on your PDF. For example, if your PDF contains images, set the Include Images parameter to 1. You can leave the other parameters as default or delete them. I usually delete unnecessary ones. Next, click Start a task. This step is simple with no extra setup. Before Get File Information, add a repeater to repeat the next step. Click Flow Control and select Repeater. Then, choose Get File Information. Now, set up 2 Reuters. The first one is Tools, which will check if the target file hasn't been created and will get the file information again. Make sure to set the filter to Does Not Exist. The second one is HTTP, which will return the file URL when the target file is created. Set the filter to Exist. After HTTP, choose Google Drive again to save the result file. Choose Upload a file and select the folder. Lastly, select JSON Parse JSON and enter the command. Then, click Add Error Handler Commit to finish the process. Now, the entire automation workflow is set. Click Run once to start the conversion. When here shows 1, the target file is ready. Open Google Drive, download the result file, and open it. The format will be perfectly preserved. Now, we can add animations to make the PPT more interactive.